Okay, so we're gonna ponder the question and hopefully get the answer in 2 seconds. When you have a semi-prime number, is there also extra composite number results that also get you the same number? And I'm guessing now, yes. And so it means that if you want to do the P and Q factorization in the RSA crack, you have to make sure they're prime as well as multiplying to the number. So if we have 3, which is prime, times 5 is 15. Okay, I've also got 3 times 5 is 15. I've also got, but they have to be integers. So if I divide that by, should it divide by 2? No. Yeah, hang on. So that in this case there isn't, right? So there's 2 primes that make up 15. Yeah, and it has to be 2. So if I divide that by 3, I get 5. If I divide it by 5, I get 3. And that's the only 2 that would make 15. No. So in that case, no, there's no other composite number. So yeah, you're right. So with 15 it's true. Well, how about, well, okay, so no. So you think they have to be prime, but you think that makes the problem harder? It actually makes it easier. Yep. So I need a larger prime number. Okay, so let's go to semi-prime. Yeah. So 2 prime numbers. Okay, yeah, but can 2 composite numbers make a semi-prime number? So hang on. So there's semi-primes less than 100. Okay, so if one of them works, so let's have a look. So we've got 100. My mouse doesn't work, by the way. So we got so 49 is 7 by 7. Is there any other way to make 49 other than 7 by 7? So is this 7 by 7 the only way to make it? So maybe it's true for the little numbers, but it might not be true for the big numbers. So okay. So 51 is a semi-prime. So what are the 2 factors for 51? Well, like you said, so if that has to be 2 numbers, are you saying that, yeah, it's easier? It means, are you saying there's only one composite for it? There's only one possibility for it. So what is 51 is a semi-prime. So he's saying to me it has to be. If it's going to be 2 numbers, they both have to be prime. So he's saying to me it makes, yeah, so there's no composites. There's no way to put 2 composites together to get that semi-prime number. Is there 2 semi-primes that make a semi-prime? Yeah, so let's just look that up. Maybe it still might not be true. It has to be fucking true for sure. Can 2 semi-primes make a semi-prime? The product of 2 primes is always a semi-prime. Is the product of a semi-prime always prime? 2 prime numbers. In mathematics, it's generally the product of 2 prime numbers. The numerator you may equal to other, but the sum of the includes primes. Because they didn't say it there. Is the product of 2 primes always a semi-prime? Yes. But is the product of a semi-prime always 2 primes? It's not there. But it looks like it for the small numbers. Anyway, so well, what does that mean? It means you don't have to check if they're prime or not. So it's fucking even easier.